Hello, I'm going to show you the best method to enable screen recording on your Android phone. You can choose in these two easy ways. First, by using the default feature of your phone. Just swipe down your screen 2 times and you will see the screen recording widget. Just tap the widget. Then, three buttons will appear on your screen. The upper button means start recording. The middle button means setting feature wherein you can enhance your recording style. The last button means cancel. If you want to start recording, tap the red button. Then you can start recording. When you're done, you can see your work or your recorded videos on your gallery or on your save video apps. Just tap the icon and you will see your work here. The other way is by downloading an app on your Play Store. Just go to Play Store, tap the search tab, and type your preferred app. For example, I'll go for Screen Recorder Video Recorder app. This app has this orange icon. After installing, a pop-up icon will appear on your screen. This orange pop-up icon will serve as your guide to screen recording. If you tap that pop-up icon, 4 icons will appear. The first icon means start recording. Then, the second icon means home, wherein you can see your works. The third icon means tools, wherein you can use this by enhancing your videos. The last icon is the setting feature. When you're done recording on your screen recording video, you can go to home and see your works, like here in the screen. Then you can enjoy your videos. Thank you for watching.